Pepe braces for 28% drop as bearish trend intensifies. Memecoin bloodbath. WIF, Pepe, and Bonk are among the poorest performers, and Pepecoin faces potential price decline amid market activity. Things are going crazy for Pepe, but what are the details of this news and how will it affect the value of Pepe? Well, stay tuned because in today's video, we will be answering these questions and analyzing what Pepe's potential next move could be. This video is packed with resourceful information, so if you have any interest in Pepe or you hold any Pepe tokens, then you can't afford to miss this video. Also, make sure you join my free Telegram group through the link in the description. I have made many amazing calls in the group, including multiple 10x's, multiple 20x's, and an over 40x call. The feedback has been amazing, and you are genuinely missing out if you aren't in already. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look on CoinGecko and see what the price of Pepe is doing on the 29th of August, shall we? Pepe's price today is around 798 units. Pepe's price is down 3% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.6 billion. The token also currently has a market cap of over $3.3 billion, ranking it as the 31st most valuable cryptocurrency. We will also just take a quick look at Bitcoin's price, as it can usually impact the movement of altcoins like Pepe. Bitcoin's price today is around $60,000. Bitcoin's price is down 4% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $42 billion. Bitcoin currently has a market cap of over $1.1 trillion. The next thing we are going to check for today is the Fear and Greed indicator. It is a tool that analyzes the crypto market sentiment. It currently sits at 30, which means Bitcoin is sitting in fear. This could mean that now is a good time to long Bitcoin and alts, but as we have been down a lot in the past day, we could see it drop a little bit lower before bouncing back up. Generally, you want to be buying when the market is fearful and selling when it is greedy. Now, without any further ado, let's get into the news. So first up, Memecoin bloodbath. WIF, Pepe, and Bonk are among the poorest performers. The pullback. The cryptocurrency sector experienced a severe correction in the last 24 hours, which erased much of the gains recorded last week. Currently, the global crypto market capitalization is less than 2.2 trillion, with Bitcoin plunging below 60,000 and Ethereum losing the 2,500 resistance level. The situation in the Memecoin niche is no better, with numerous tokens plummeting by double digits on a daily scale. The well-known names that were affected the worst were the Solana-based dog WIF Hat and Bonk, which fell by 10% each. The biggest frog-themed Memecoin, Pepe, is also down nearly 10%, while its rival Brett has tumbled by 7%. Popcat is the only Memecoin from the top 20 list witnessing some price increase. It is up 3% in the past 24 hours and a whopping 60% weekly. Currently, the cat-themed token trades at around 71 cents per CoinGecko's data and has a market cap of over 700 million. It is the largest in its cohort, followed by Cat in a Dog's World and Memecoin. What about the leaders? The biggest meme coins, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, are also down, albeit in a more modest fashion. The former is currently trading just south of 10 cents, representing a 6.5% decrease on a daily basis. It remains one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies, with a market cap of around 14.5 billion. The self-proclaimed Dogecoin killer, Shib, has recorded a similar decline and is worth approximately 1,377 as of the moment. Its price retreat coincides with the poor performance of the Layer 2 scaling solution, Shibarium. Active accounts and daily transactions processed on the protocol have been on a downfall in the past week, generally indicating a decrease in user engagement and activity on the network. Shiba Inu's burning program has not impressed either. Over the past 24 hours, the burn rate collapsed by 100% since the team has not destroyed a single token. The mechanism's ultimate goal is to reduce the tremendous circulating supply of SHIB, making it scarcer and potentially more valuable in time should demand stay the same or go up. Now let's move on to the second news story of today's video. Pepe coin faces potential price decline amid market activity. Pepe experienced a significant drop at the end of last month and the beginning of this month, but its price has still increased by 25% recently. However, the upward momentum in the Memecoin seems to be fading over the past 24 hours, raising questions about the sustainability of the recent price rally. On-chain data analysis suggests that maintaining Pepe's upward momentum may not be as easy as anticipated. Pepecoin analysis. One important metric indicating the situation with Pepe is the mean dollar invested age, which tracks the average time a cryptocurrency remains in the same wallet. An increase in MDIA suggests that the same tokens are being held in the same wallet by their owners. Conversely, a decreasing MDIA indicates that previously inactive wallets are now becoming active again. The first scenario for MDIA is considered a bullish sign, while the second is a bearish sign. According to data provided by Sentiment, Pepe's 90-day MDIA value was 42.30. At the time of writing, this value had decreased, reflecting more active circulation and a potential price decline. Additionally, Pepe's trading volume has also decreased and currently remains at $613.26 million. Generally, an increasing volume along with a rising price supports an upward trend. However, when the volume decreases after a noticeable price increase, it suggests that the upward trend may not continue. How much will Pepe be worth? An analysis of the daily chart shows that Pepe's price appears to be encountering resistance at the 50-day exponential moving average zone, shown in yellow. EMA is known for indicating the trend direction of a cryptocurrency. Currently, the Memecoin is trading slightly below this level, which can be interpreted as a potential bearish outlook. On the other hand, the price continues to trade above the 20-day EMA. Considering the recent red candlesticks in Pepe, it is possible that the price might fall below this short-term trend line. Moreover, the token's inability to break the descending triangle formation raises another question mark. If this situation persists, the frog-themed Memecoin could target a downward level of 770 units. If the trend resumes its upward movement, Pepe price could rise again to 980 units, indicating a potential increase to 1,000 units. Now let's move on to the third news story of today's video. Pepe braces for 28% drop as bearish trend intensifies. Pepe's price could decline further as it appears poised to break below the lower line of its falling wedge, which would signal a continuation of the downtrend. Pepe attempts to find new lows. A falling wedge pattern occurs when an asset's price moves between two downward sloping trend lines. The upper trend line serves as resistance, while the lower trend line acts as support. Typically, despite the downtrend within the wedge, this pattern is considered bullish because the price often breaks out above the upper trend line upon completion, leading to an upward movement. However, Pepe may be an exception. Since August 25, the Memecoin's price has been on a downtrend, dropping by 15% and pushing it closer to the lower line of the falling wedge. When an asset's price breaks below the lower trend line of a falling wedge, it invalidates the bullish projection typically associated with this pattern and suggests that the downtrend may continue. Pepe's technical setup supports this possibility. The altcoin has fallen below key moving averages, trading beneath both its 20-day exponential moving average and its 50-day simple moving average. The 20-day EMA reflects an asset's average price over the past 20 trading days, while the 50-day SMA tracks its average closing price over the past 50 days. When an asset's price is below these averages, it indicates weakening momentum and the likelihood of continued downtrend as selling pressure intensifies. If Pepe reverses course and begins an uptrend, these moving averages will act as resistance, potentially leading to another price correction. Additionally, Pepe's relative strength index remains below its neutral line and has been in this position for most of the past month. The RSI measures whether an asset is overbought or oversold. At 43.13 and declining at press time, Pepe's RSI suggests low buying activity among market participants. Pepe price prediction: all lies with the bulls. The bearish sentiment surrounding Pepe is further evidenced by its negative weighted sentiment, which currently stands at -0.76. A weighted sentiment value below zero indicates that the overall online conversation about the asset is predominantly negative. This negativity often signals a continued decline in the asset's price. If Pepe bulls fail to defend the lower line of the falling wedge, the meme coin's price could decline to its August 5 low of 590 units, representing a 28% drop from its current value. However, if the current trend reverses and Pepe resumes its uptrend, its price could rise to 860 units. So what do you think of this news? Are you bullish or bearish on Pepe? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I will be replying to as many comments as possible. And if you want to get faster crypto updates, then be sure to follow me on X. I am posting multiple times a day on there, and I drop a lot of value, so make sure you follow me and stick notifications on as well. If you want to see more of the latest news in crypto, then check out recent uploads. But did you know that there is a sector in the crypto industry that is attracting investment from BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, and various other major investment firms? If you want to learn more about this and get a list of coins that could explode in the event of a bull run, then click the video on screen now.